Asterisk aliens dropping by from another star system. Wild, right? Asterisk, but hold on. Let's rewind. Way back, thousands of years. Humans wanted answers. Always. Why storms? Why lightning? Why the seas raging out of nowhere? They had no science, no physics, no weather reports. What did they have? Gods. To the Greeks, Poseidon ruled the oceans. Anger him, waves rise. Storms smash ships. End of story. That was the logic. This habit explaining mystery with divinity philosophers later called the God of the Gaps. And here's the thing, it wasn't a foolish instinct. It was human curiosity bumping into the edges of understanding. Even Newton did it. Yes, Newton, the rock star of physics. Principia Mathematica. He laid out the laws of motion, described gravity, explained the planets. He cracked open the machinery of the cosmos. But then, problem. Every time Earth looped around the sun, Jupiter tugged. Again and again. Over millennia, Earth's orbit should spiral out of whack. Chaos. Solar system ruined. But the solar system was stable. Why? Newton's math said it shouldn't be. So he invoked God. He literally wrote, God steps in now and then to reset the clockwork of the heavens. That was Newton's own God of the Gaps. He didn't use God to explain the orbit of the moon. He had equations for that. He didn't use God to justify F equals ma. That one worked just fine. He used God only at the edge, at the frontier of what he didn't know. Now let's fast forward. 20th century, 21st. What takes God's old seat? Aliens. Hollywood gave us sleek ships, advanced tech, beings light years ahead. Pop culture swapped God of the Gaps for alien of the Gaps. Who built the pyramids? Someone asks me. Egyptians, I say. No way. Too advanced. Must be aliens. That thinking is seductive. It feels good. I get it. But it kills curiosity dead. Because the bravest words in science aren't aliens did it. It's asterisk. I don't know. Asterisk. If you can say that, you're free. Free to ask more. Free to test. Free to be wrong, and then more right tomorrow. A weird light streaks across the sky. Don't jump to UFOs. Say, I don't know what that is yet. Then investigate. Get data. Scrutinize. Repeat. But the moment you say, I don't know, therefore I know it's aliens, you've made a leap, and wow, it's a huge leap. Now, yes, exciting news. Real interstellar visitors have arrived. Not aliens in ship's objects. 3 so far. 3. After decades of searching. We always knew one would eventually glide in. Our solar system is drifting around the galaxy. Other systems fling out debris. Eventually, starlight junk crosses our path. And here they came. The first spotted in Hawaii, ʻOumuamua. Scout. It soared by, but its path didn't quite match what pure gravity predicted. Strange. Maybe gas jets pushed it slightly, like comets do near the sun? Except we saw no jets. No outgassing. Weird. What's my first thought? Not aliens. Definitely not. But it's somewhere way, way down the list. A last resort, not a first guess. 2 more came after. Odd behaviors, odd brightness, strange spins, stuff that doesn't cleanly fit our models, fun puzzles, delicious mysteries for the catalog. So what's more likely? A brand new class of objects we've never studied before? Or little green engineers joy-riding through our neighborhood? History tells me, new physics beats new aliens. 9 times out of 10. Science, remember, lives on data. Always more telescopes, more recordings, more eyes, more minds checking each other's biases. Because we're human, we get fooled by what we want to see. That's why peer review exists. That's why speculation only matters if it pushes investigation. So what's up with aliens visiting Earth? Maybe. But if you ask me, based on history, based on science, unlikely. Still, the urge to believe is ancient. The habit of plugging mystery with myth never left us. It just changed costume. But the truth? Knowledge grows strongest when we admit our ignorance, when we don't fill the gaps too fast. Till then, keep asking, keep testing, keep the wonder alive. And always, always look up.